Alright, I'm going to show you how this onesie goes on. It's a cold day and I'm going to wear it with just a t-shirt and nothing more. Bottom opens up. And this is Velcro right here, the first part, and it can be hemmed. You can actually chop it off to make it shorter. But why would I? Two, three. Pretty good. There we go. And probably less than a minute, 30 seconds to get that on. And I'm going to try it without any warm things on underneath except my jeans and a t-shirt. So you can pretty much see it's got a high collar and a little bit of padding on there. But it's not all holes, like the middle is not a hole. But there's mesh here, mesh in the middle, and mesh down here, but not on the knee pads. There was a complaint that the knee pads rotate inward, and I can see that a little bit here. But they want to go in, but we'll see how that works in operation. Anyways, that's my onesie. I don't see any issue with crouching down. I'm making it tighten up, so it feels pretty good. And I'm going to leave the fleece in the top case. And I'm going to head out. Bike's not looking too bad.